Hey, what's good, BBQ Family? It's your boy Joe Mill here, back with Killer Miller Q, and today we hungry. I want some wings. We're gonna be using some Blues Hog Tennessee Red barbecue sauce that I've been dying to get my hands on. Come on. The music. Let's get this chicken wings here going. Big shouts out to my brother for hooking me up with this Blues Hog Tennessee Red. Looking forward to trying that out. What we're going to be doing is a little bit of the red garlic from Kinder's. There's pretty much crushed jalapeno and garlic. It's got a little bit of salt in there, but we'll definitely give it a one time on the salt. And we're going to get these fired up nice and hot. Already got these cleaned up. Now jumping right into this, first thing we're going to do is hit them with a little bit of this kosher salt. Just like so. And then next I'm about to go ahead and give me a nice respectful layer of that Kinder's red garlic on here. Now to do it, now we got that Kinder's red garlic on here. I'm looking forward to that. We're going to let these hang out for a little bit and get my coals nice and hot. So these have had a chance to hang out for a little bit. They smelling good. They ready to go. I got my coals going. Over here on the old Weber, pretty much rolling with some of my trusty favorites, the Cowboy Charcoal Briquettes. So we up screaming, close to 500. Let's go ahead and get the drums assembled. And then there we go. We're gonna let these hang out just like you see it for a little bit. I'm expecting about 15 to 20 minutes. We'll get a flip and get the other side some love, but we should be good to go. All right, so it's been a little over 30 minutes. Still screaming on our temp. I've been in here a couple times, but I'm finally now to the point where I think I'm ready to flip. You see, I got a little bit of this golden brown color going on, which I like. My skin look like it's starting to crisp up a little bit. I'm gonna hit it with just a little bit of cooking spray, and we're gonna flip right to the other side. There we go. They looking good already. We're probably gonna be getting ready to pull in about another 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna toss them in that Tennessee Red. We should be about ready to go. And while that's finishing up, I think I said 35. I meant to say 25 minutes, and we got that flip in. They won't take too much longer. They got beautiful color. The other side will go ahead and start crisping up quick. I'm just going to go ahead and start getting ready with some of this Blues Hog Tennessee Red. As you can see, it's a little thinner. Got a little bit more of a vinegar in there, a little bit more of the twang. You can see those red pepper flakes. Great flavor. Sweet but tangy. I'm going to like this. And now at minute 40, we still blazing along. We're gonna go ahead and grab these babies off. Oh man, they looking good. Beautiful looking color. Want to get them off roughly right before I like them. I like my wings somewhere between, like most of my dark meat, 185 and 200. These is pushing the 185 mark. We'll get them off in here. We're gonna give them a little bit of slather of that Tennessee Red, and then we'll let it set and come on back. Woo! The smell's coming up off of here. Let's go ahead and give them a good douse, and then we'll flip them around a little bit with this Blues Hog Tennessee Red. Hey team, I want to jump in here real quick and let you know, thanks for watching today's video. Check out anything you've missed. Bottom right corner, make sure you subscribe. Let's keep it moving. There we go, they've been tossed around. Now we're going to assemble them right back on the grill just for another quick minute on the set. Alright, there we go. Face side down, I'm going to let these hang out for maybe a quick little 5 minutes. Let this sauce set. And then from there, I'll give them a quick dunk and they're going to be ready to go. Whew. All right, so it's been a good 5 minutes. So let's go ahead and get these off of here. Now you can see how that sauce went ahead and set on there. It's got them looking nice and sticky. These is beautiful. Might I add, they smell good. Come on out. And there we go, round two. I'm just going to go ahead and give them a flip in the last bit of that sauce that was left. And they're going to roll just like that. Ooh-wee. Now these are pretty. They smelling great. They got that tang. Sauce is amazing. Sweet Blues Hogs never do you wrong. We're gonna set them up kind of something like that. You can imagine if you was having a party, you can have them sitting up any way you want. But a nice row of wings shining like white diamonds would not last long. Do something just like that right there. And I'm not waiting no more time. It's been long enough. We done gave it a good 5 minutes or so to kind of hang out. And we're going to dive in. Who is the choice? I'll get this little homie down here. This sauce is great. Nice and tangy. Perfectly done. I can't be too mad at that. And I must say, that Tennessee red barbecue sauce got an amazing flavor. A little bit of vinegar in there gave it a good little bit of twang. I probably could have went ahead and got rid of the salt that I had to add on there and just been good with that red garlic from Kinder's. But at the end of the day, it all came out. Wasn't too bad. I like the way that came together. Appreciate y'all watching this video. My brother for hooking me up with that sauce. And everybody else I missed, I'm going to catch y'all next week. Peace.